did you even do to it? That thing happened. And that's the reason we did not do that like that. What did you do to it?
I don't know. Which network are you using? This is my own.
Oh, I don't know, Sha. Guys, when we were coming back, we wanted to actually go live. Do drive-by. In fact, and this evening, everywhere was very busy. We wanted to go live, but then...
Hey, are you okay? When we are on live, are you okay? Put on the lights. It says switching off the lights.
Frederico.
Just to see.
Say hi. Say hi. 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 Say hi. So we wanted to go live, but something happened. I don't know. So maybe next on Monday or Tuesday. I don't really know. We any day that is very busy, I'm going to do that evening drive-by vlog again. I don't know what happened, why I was not able to do the live, but we are right now at home, and I want to continue with my evening schedules. Baba, come and go where this boy is clothes. You know, go. So I don't even know what we are going to eat. We just came back. We didn't eat. I say let's take cucumber. You say no. Tomorrow we'll do another thing. You say no. What do you want to eat now?
Blend it. I thought you were blending it. Who was
blended cucumber? Who's that plate is not enough for? Omanzukwa cucumber hanine. Asking you with the rubber, the white. That white rubber and where aka. Oh yeah. And chani neighbor. Now white rubber. No. Neighbor. So he gets teacher ichi. Mba. Odiroma. See ya no fuebe. When you chani in a rubber white and where aka agwa ngi giburu zo wop the rubber white ah. Sa ya mmiri. Why am gwa give ya?
Isaiah Mary. Isaiah
Baba. Oh God. Hello. 52 people are here.
Yeah,
hey, lip lock. Which one? Okay. Where are you from, friend? I'm from Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria. Niger area. He's very cute. Wow. They said they are cute. I say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Slapping.
Say hi now. Hi. Say hi. Baba, say hi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hello, hi, man. See, in fact, see, somebody is telling you hi. Hi, man. Hi. Good. Guru gave me very cute. Thank you. Thank you so much. Welcome to our life. Okay? Daddy, he's talking to you. Daddy, he's talking to you. Daddy. He's enjoying himself. He's enjoying himself. Like the live stream for us, okay? We are about to do some of our evening routines. Just let me fix the camera here so that I can be doing what I want to do, okay? And I hope you're going to enjoy the vlog. Okay?
Mom said no food this night.
No food. You're going to eat cucumber.
For dinner.
Okay, you want me to do noodles?
I'm very, very hungry. In fact, I'm famished. That's the right word.
Oh yeah, let me go and make indomie now. Let me make noodles.
Yeah, yeah. You can use the
Okay, bring out pepper.
you can use the what do you call it? The cucumber
Let me do noodles.
on the noodles, right?
Where's my other phone? Yeah, my phone.
So guys, man, what's going on in your area?
My other phone.
Not with it.
Okay.
What's going on in your area? Been a lot of discussions
Are you with my
about
phone?
the protest that is scheduled to happen next week, from the 1st to the 15th of August. I thought it was just 1 day. Man, that's more than 2 weeks. Hey, God help us. God help us. A lot of agitations, a lot of people are hungry. That's just a simple word. There seems to be no relief in sight, in terms of what the government is actually doing to ameliorate the sufferings of the people. Right? So there's no relief in sight. So what people really want to see is you know people are really frustrated. They want to see transparency. They want to see accountability. That's just a simple word. When you have a company and you want to employ someone, right? What you expect to see is hard work and commitment. Of course, transparency and accountability. All right. So it's just like the people of Nigeria employing the president. Of course, election was held and supposedly, a winner was announced by INEC, which is the body that organizes elections, and so you have a president that was sworn in last year. So people will rightly say that the decay or the mismanagement didn't start from the current administration, but it was the one before, the one that came in.
You know that the network, and you see, this network is very, in fact, is really. No, but it's on. Somebody is watching. One person is watching.
It went off. I had to reconnect.
One person is watching.
What are you touching there now?
I don't know. I don't even know what I'm touching now. I know that this one, if you touch this one, it's going to do backwards. This one should be sound.
The voice, if you touch it now, they will not hear what we're saying. See?
Why this one is to share. To share it. See, hi sister, we want to sleep now. Okay, go and enjoy your sleep. You all look happy. Bro, where are you from? He's asking you where are you from. Are you not reading the chat? I don't even know the network that. No, but it's on. Somebody is watching. One person is watching. No, the one that is watching it now. All those people that came and they were actually asking you this thing, you were not responding. Hi, sister. English or Spanish? English. Where are you from? Good luck. Hi, sister. We want to sleep now. Okay, go and enjoy your sleep.
Is it live?
Yes.
Now.
There is about 3 people are watching. So about 3 people are watching. Baba, come and enjoy this live with us so that I can go and do something. Your daddy said that he's very, very hungry. I thought that since we came back late, he would not want to eat. This man will just make me to be growing pot belly anyhow. Because he doesn't know how to fast.
Man must work now.
Which one is man must work? Man must work means what?
I'm a sweet.
Okay, so man cannot live by bread alone. You've not heard that one.
You say man
cannot live by bread alone.
But by every word
words that come out from the mouth of. Yes.
Say man shall not live by
bread alone.
He didn't say the bread is not important. Have you? Have you, my people? You say man shall not live by bread alone. You didn't say the bread is not important too. The bread, there's a place for the bread. Very important. Abi? So it's very important to spiritual exercise is profitable. It's as that is as good as
I don't even know the
physical
network
exercise
that we'll use that
for spiritual exercise.
will not complain about this our live songs.
Like that.
Yes, I don't know network that I would
MTN.
say that is
Try
perfect.
MTN and see.
It's MTN I'm using now.
Your own is
It's the
MTN.
one that is going now. Yes.
If you connect to my own, it won't hit work. My own is Airtel.
I don't know. I don't even know.
It's Airtel, what do you call it? You may need to network generally in this part of the state or what of the world is just something else. But here we are. Here we are. Can't make do of. So as I was saying previously, right, people are very hungry and angry, because of seemingly hopelessness. They're not seeing, they don't seem to be seeing the light at the end, at the end of the tunnel. They're not seeing the hope. Prices of things just keep going up, keep going up. The worst hits in this era are the manufacturers. Actually, they are just grappling with a lot of issues. Power, there's been a hike in the electricity. Diesel.
Are you sure they are hearing you? You are the one talking alone. No?
Diesel is
How
up.
can the camera be very far from you? What would they?
I don't hear what I'm saying.
How is that place that will hear you, not me? You're talking to the camera. Right?
They'll listen to me now. There's no. I don't want it to be too close to me.
Okay. You don't
So as I
want
was saying now, so people are really. There's a lot of hunger in the land. People are really. How you doing? I'm on live, right? So you want to join me? Want to sleep? Or what's the issue? All right, so I'm on. We are live, so people are really hungry and really. There's no. There seems to be some kind of hopelessness. Why is that so? It's just simple. Purchasing power. The money you have, when you go to the market to buy things, the price of things are high, up. Things you used to buy, let's say 500 naira last year, you are buying that same thing now for 4,000, 5,000. Sometimes you won't even see the thing to buy. Like now, the auto it seems to be scarce, because the raw materials that the manufacturers are using to produce those commodities seems to be scarce. Cause why? Forex is up. Dollar was 1.08 or whatever, 1.607 or 1.6. And a lot of companies that had made projections early the year, maybe with Forex as 800, if we adjusted to 1.5, now it's 1.6. Seems as if, a lot of fluctuations here and there. Importation, there's no fixed rates. Today it might be this, tomorrow. So it's really hampering, it's really distorting this, the plan for the manufacturers. How, what price would they set? If they buy at this rate before they finish manufacturing, the prices are up, they sell at the new rate before they go back to buy more raw material, the prices are up, so they may need to get additional funds. That also applies to distributors, people that sell. So it's a whole lot of. The situation is really terrible at the moment. So people are really complaining, especially those that are in a paid employment. Imagine someone who earns minimum wage of 30,000 naira last year, when dollar was about 700, 800 naira per dollar. Now dollar is about 1,006. Right, inflation on the roof. Things they used to buy at 500, today they buy 5,000. The same cash at hand. That's supposed to be used to buy those commodities. So if you could buy simple math, if you could buy, you earn 30,000 naira, and if you buy a commodity at 500 naira last year, you divide 500 from 30,000 naira. You buy that same 30,000 naira, now you buy it at this 5,000 naira for the same commodity. you find that you would have purchased more of those commodities last year. This year, this that same amount of money we purchase fewer commodities. So that's exactly what you're saying. So people are not able to afford a lot of things, that's basic things that they will need. Food. The rate of food inflation in this country is mad. Imagine tube of yam we used to buy last year at 300 naira, 400 naira, 500 naira. Now that same tube of yam is 5,000. Some area it is 11,000. It's crazy. So people are frustrated. They just need to ensure that the government hear exactly what is happening, what their cry is, and for some people, the perspective is that there's no transparency. There's no people are a lot of wastages. They're buying yachts, they're buying aircraft, they are renovating. VFIS residents renovating. A lot of wastage. So people are these guys actually feeling the pulse of the people. They don't seem to be feeling it and all that. And there seems not to be transparency in the management of the affairs of the country. So people are really suffering. Honestly, people are really suffering in this country. People are dying of hunger. When you watch YouTube, social media, where you see people complaining, grown-up men going to the market to buy things, and they find out that the money that they have cannot afford the basic food items to feed their families. Find out that people are crying at the moment. They go to market, they are crying. Grown adults crying, because the kids will eat. The children they don't know that. Situation, it's a very terrible situation currently. So that's basically what it is. So yeah, this is Nigeria, West Africa. We are in the African continent, in the western parts. The black population on earth, the country with the largest black population on earth, that's Nigeria. So that's exactly what it is. I want to drink, yeah, drink a little. My boy wants to drink cucumber. He has eaten it, but he still wants to enjoy cucumber. But nobody can see. Come here so you can see. Yeah, come on, drink cucumber. Cucumber. Yeah. So guys, that's what it is. There needs to be some kind of reorganization, transparency, unity. They need to build trust amongst the people. We have different tribes in Nigeria. There needs to be some trust, transparency in the affairs of the states, state, local governments, federal government. The 3 tiers. There needs to be some kind of accountability, and transparency where they receive the monthly allocation, federal allocation, the states, federal, and local. People need to see that this amount of money comes in. This is what the salaries are. This amount of money is what was used to to develop the state or the country. This so amount of money was used to pay salaries. So amount of money was used to purchase tractors for the farmers, to purchase seedlings. This amount was geared into youth development, youth employment. Funds have made funds available for to encourage the youth to go into farming, go into any kind of industrialization. Those are the things that people need to see, so that it will encourage a lot of people to to be independent, jobs for everybody, but they provide incentive, provide business environment for productivity. Of course, people, a lot of people that Nigerians are really, really hardworking. I think they will, use the opportunity to exhibit their talent and skills. So that's exactly what we're saying. It needs to be that form of engagement, the government and the people, so that the planned the planned protests, will not degenerate because that's the fear. You see exactly what happened in Kenya. Uh, it started, it was like a peaceful protest, but in this part of the world, when uh, especially in African countries, when the authorities, need are supposed to protect the lives of their citizens, it's the other way around. So unfortunately, about 50 persons have lost their lives so far in Kenya. May their soul rest in peace. But it's holding the governments, accountable. It's enough is enough because people can't just be taking everyone for a ride. Youths, they see what is happening in advanced countries, and where it seems the systems seems to be working or it's working, and they can't just understand why back home that can be replicated. So that is really saddening. That's why a lot of people are youths especially. They are running out of the country. They are jackpa running out, escaping. It's not as if some of them want to because they just want to try and see how they can, better their lives and that of their family. Because those advanced countries or developed countries, things are actually working. The systems are working. You work. There's a number of hours you should be able to work and living for yourself, so, and for your family. But that's not the case here. So that's what it is. A lot of graduates roaming around the streets, no job, right? So yeah, it's not as if they're lazy, like I said. But if you provide funds, provide grants, and the enabling environments, if they can, apply for loans or to start up businesses and pay back those loans or those funds at a time, in the future. So that's at least for the meantime they'll be able to eke out a living for themselves. So that's exactly what we're talking about. So guys, that's what it is. That's latest news currently. And I was just watching the social media the other day. I discovered that some politicians are running out of the country, just to escape the supposedly chaos that may occur during the protest, because a lot of information in terms of security intel says that some foreign interests are trying to infiltrate or planned to infiltrate the so-called protest that is geared to happen from 1st August to 15th. So there's fear that it may degenerate to the breakdown of law and order. That's the fear. We had a very, very sad news that happened this week, especially as it pertains the eastern part of Nigeria, southeast. We had two great sons that joined our ancestors. One of them was the President General of Ohaneze in the Igbo, that is late billionaire and businessman Iwanyao, who died about 2 days ago. So may his soul rest in peace. We also had terrible news again today that our very own brother, in fact, his own representing I think Anambra South in the Senate, in the person of Ifeanyi Uba, who passed on. Very terrible news, very, very terrible news. It's a big blow to the Igbo, having two great personalities, just passing on to glory within a space of 1 week. I mean, that's a very, very big hit, very, very big hit, and I just want to let's observe a minute silence for the repose of their souls, because it's a very, very big blow to the individual. You know, a minute silence for them. Thank you. Amen. So may the soul of the President General of Ohanese Ndigbo, late Iwanyan, and also the soul of Ifeanyi Uba, the capitalist, the CEO of Capital Oil, and now the senator in the Federal Republic of Nigeria, who passed on, I think yesterday in London. They said he died in his hotel. He traveled out 2 days ago and he died in his hotel. So may their soul rest in peace. Amen. Moving forward, right? A lot of things that are happening currently in the country. At the front burner currently, the talk of the strike, protest rather, that's going to happen on the 1st to the 15th of August. So what's happening in your area? If you're in Nigeria, any part of Nigeria, what's going on? Are they mobilization? Are people? What's the feel like? What's actually what's the feel like in your area? You can drop that chat, and if you have family and friends in Nigeria, maybe you're overseas, you have family and friends in Nigeria. What information? What are they telling you that in terms of what's happening in their area? What's the economic situation? How are they surviving? Because people are really suffering in this country currently. If you have family and friends that are in Nigeria and maybe you are doing very well overseas, please reach out to them. You can support them in any way that you can, please do. There are lots of frustration going on right now because the price of things are actually very, very expensive. Commodities are very expensive. Some goods are not even available. The manufacturers are the worst hit. I think I saw today in the news that Cadbury reported about more than 200 billion loss, pre-tax loss, just in Q1, that is January to June, half-year reports. Imagine that, losing that huge amount of money, more than 200 billion loss. This is a company that employs thousands of people, and they are reporting such humongous loss because the manufacturers are the worst hits. I explained earlier on. So commodities are even not available in the market, But other things like foodstuff like yam, tomatoes, rice, gari, very, very expensive, very, very expensive. So that's just the issue. People are not even talking about, extensive things, high-end commodities, but basic food like rice, gari, yam, beans, tomato, just to feed their families, and it's been very, very hard to come back, right? So that's what I'm saying. So you have family, friends, people that are in countries, especially in Africa, Nigeria, Kenya, Uganda. Just try as much as possible to reach out to them. You can support them by raising funds for them to go into businesses. Just because I think business buying and selling currently is one of the very, very sure way to beat inflation, right? Currently, that's one of the very fast way to beat inflation, because if you're a salary earner, man, your salary is the value of your money, that is purchasing power, has been wiped off. You can't buy those commodities that you usually would have been able to
This is very
purchase.
spicy.
Wow. My wife has just finished the noodles for me to eat because I was very hungry. I just pleaded for her to help me get this done, and she has done a very fantastic job. Thank you, love. Thanks for your support and your care. We went to the market together. We're just coming back, and she was able to do this, so I can have a sleep because going to bed with an empty stomach sometimes it's not easy. Guys, come and join me. Thank you. Wow, it is very spicy and hot. Come join me, guys. Eating Indomie. That's what we call it here. The number one noodles in Nigeria. Wow, it's delicious. Yeah, come join me, guys. Yeah, so I'm drinking cucumber that was blended, right? So it's a healthy fruit, cucumber, blended cucumber. That's exactly what I'm drinking. It has a lot of fiber in it and it's healthy. That's what I'm drinking. I'm eating noodles, right, with onions, pepper, some spice in it. That's what I'm eating. You say, do I know the way? The way? My in-law, mommy, Umu Chineke. I hail you. Johnny Sense, I hail. Welcome. Welcome. Christian V said, do you know the way? The way to where? Drop your comment in the comment section so I can understand you clearly. Wow. Wow.
No, it's still eating.
Eating what? Hmm? Where?
No.
See my this thing before you eat that now to eat
You
it.
should not pour the noodles on top of that.
This says it's not working. This place is hot.
So your children said I should make spicy noodles for them. That they want to do spicy noodles challenge.
How? Spicy noodle challenge here. It's the bigger ones that will enjoy it more now because they have capacity to bear pain because the food is hot.
Okay. Where's my children I brought out?
Why can't you take this food in their room and eat?
No, they want to do challenge. Let us watch them.
Are you gonna capture
They
them?
said that they will not eat this. They will eat this food and they will not drink water. That was what they told me. So guys, let's watch these kids. Hey, use the other one. Leave that dining table where it is. Leave the dining table. Happier. Ngwa. You people must eat today and I watch you. Ngwa. I want you guys to eat. Let me watch you. I'm here. You come and sit down here. No, you people say without water. Oh. Without water. Drink water. Or you go and bring water. Any person that drinks water is going to quit because the kind of pepper in this food there is Mount Jericho. So any person that mention leave drink water, it will be the end of the person. It will be the end of the person. Oh yeah, gather it here.
That will be the end for the person eating.
Eating, yes. Oh yeah. Let's watch you. Every time mommy wants to do spicy noodles challenge, come and do it now. You see these spicy noodles, you people must do the challenge now. Every time, mommy, spicy noodles. Hi, nice family. Thank you so much. See my in-law. Well done. Oh, see my bros. Good to have you here. What are you drinking? He's taking cucumber. Do you know Dawi? Which one is Dawi again? So, any person that drink water is the end for the person. The person will no longer eat again. The person will not eat. I must watch what will happen today. Shall all of you say, you want to do spicy noodles, you want to do spicy? Prove it that you can do it. Even this tiny one saying he wants to do spicy noodles. Come and prove it. Prove it. Eat it now. Hot and spicy. Obiana. Hot and spicy. Sweet. Open a fan na room. Hot and spicy noodles. Because this AC, or they retekwa side they have. With the heat and in it.
Let them enjoy it.
Enjoy it. Let's see. Finish it. Let us see you. Hot and spicy.
If you are hot, drink water and step out.
If you drink water, you will no longer eat. If you drink water, no more food for you.
Interesting. I captain that. Are you seeing what is showing there? Just carry the camera. Are you seeing it?
Okay.
I'll be watching there. Maybe that they're seeing what is showing.
Let me see their expression one after the other. This one is doing. If you drink water, you are going out. Nke obela biye na surprise chakwa mo. If you drink water, you are going.
You're out. Nobody wants to step out.
Nobody wants to step out though. They are very serious with the thing. They are very serious. Hot and spicy noodles challenge. No be sporty no. This is a serious matter. Nobody wants to step out. Not even the small baby. Small baby is even eating more than them.
Spicy noodle challenge. These guys are lions.
They tell you.
To the lions.
They tell you. Nobody is stepping out.
Lion of the tribe of Judah.
Maybe I did not spice it enough. The next one will be the wall of Jericho. The spice is not enough, right? Super. Okay. Ngwa ngwa ngwa. Ngwa ngwa ngwa. Yee. Ụmụaka na surprise kwa mmadụ Chineke na. Eh? Gogo. Even you. Jesus. Hey. Oya push remain that one for Gogo. Remain it for Gogo. Even Chigos rim. My children no drink. My children no drink water. Even one person. That is the way you able to eat this thing without drinking water. Or taking that cucumber.
I was drinking with cucumber.
Hey, these kids go shock person. See that one is coming. Hey, this one will not allow us to sleep. Come and finish your own here. I made his own without spice.
That's finished his own since.
Hey,
That one has finished his own.
Daddy, so please come and continue your video. Come and continue your video now. I'm lion. Say what I'm. I'm coming. Let me turn it. Please continue your video that these children are surprising me. Woo, it's me that is shocked.
Yeah, so that was we did Indomie for them, Indomie spice for them. Last year we used to buy Indomie carton. How much? How much was it last year? 8,000, about 8,000 naira plus. Now the Tabawan, how much now?
What are you doing?
How much is it now?
12,500.
Now it is 12,500. So imagine you know usually buy maybe 2 carton when it was 8,000. Now it is 12,000. In fact, early when the prices were actually going up, it was more than about 15,000.
I thought that my son is super strong. See him with water, drinking all the water in this house, pouring water. See, this one is even stronger. Oh. See, this one is not even doing as if he ate anything pepper, and the other one is even the big one that is even disturbing. Hey, wahala.
You know, so.
Wahala. You push come and keep back my chair. I don't thought one person would drink.
So that's exactly what it is. Indomie pack last year was about 8,000 naira. You know, 7,000, 8,000. Now it's about 14,000 something. So imagine you earn 30,000 naira, which is the minimum wage. You'll be paying more to buy the same commodity that you usually buy at 8,000 naira. So a lot of things are really, really expensive right now currently. So price of things are really on the high. So people are really struggling to survive. So that's just it. So if you have friends, families that are anywhere in Nigeria or in Africa, any country in Africa, please, you can support them anyway. There are a lot of difficult situations currently. People are really hungry, very, very hungry in Africa. So you can reach out to them and also, support them, in this past period, especially in Kenya. We had lots of chaos, people protesting, people being injured, shot, and all that. Nigeria also, Africa entirely, especially the eastern, western parts, countries in Africa. You can reach out to them and support them, at the best way you can. Hello guys, if you're there, you can drop your chat in the chat box. Let's know you're here, you're with us, chatting with us. Right, this is Helen's corner. What? If you like the stream, also like the video, drop your comments in the comment section. Right. Hello, guys. Yeah, the kids are on holiday right now, so they're on a long vac. I think they started their vacation on the 19th. I think school closed on the 19th here in Ebonyi State. 19th of July. They are supposed to resume sometimes in September. You know, so if you have your words, it's a time for you to instill discipline in them, hard work. Let them know that it's important for them to work. That culture needs to be instilled in them for them to give them tasks to do at this point in time. Because of course, if you leave them alone, they are gonna turn the house upside down. They'll be, they may play from morning till night, but this is the time for you to just call them around, give them assignment, know exactly what school has been, where you can improve, help them improve their academics. Like the other day, I gave them an assignment. I asked the one that was 6 to write 1 to 100, right? So I discovered that he's 3. Instead of writing 3 this way, he wrote his 3 the other way around. The 7, instead of writing this way, he wrote the 7 this way. His 9, instead of facing this way, he's facing the other way. So I corrected that, and I gave him the next correct thing to rewrite it again. And of course, by constant practice, I think he will improve. The other older ones, I gave them essays, comprehension to write about. One of them to write about asthma, the other one to write about the comprehension about the best dress he wore on Christmas Day. So yeah. So I noticed that some of them, letter writing and all that, for them to improve their letter writing, know how to start a paragraph, the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. So gradually train them on that so that they can, improve, and of course improve their writing. Another assignment I gave them was to look at the newspaper and for them to, practice handwriting, because I noticed that some of their writings were not very, very clear. So by practicing their letter writing, it will help them to improve. So I expect that before the school resumes, they should be able to, improve their letter writing, ability to write composition, essays, and of course improving mathematics. So those are the areas that I'm looking at improving, improving their studies. Right. Of course, they say all work and no play make Jack a dull boy. So of course, we are going to put a mix. Okay, we're going to put. Yeah, Sherry. Thank you. My bad. Thank you so much. Right. So I'm going to put a mix on that. Right. So they're able to improve in their studies, during this holiday, right? Yeah. So like I was saying earlier on before some of us joined in, like a lot of hunger in the land, in Nigeria currently, and there's a planned protest for 1st to 15th of August. People want to protest to air their grievances, and of course, if the government is not listening, you want to make sure they hear them, So there's some reports that the protests may be hijacked and all that, and cause chaos, that like what's happened in Kenya. So a lot of persuasion that I think the government needs to engage more, come out to engage more with the people so that they'll see the need to toe the line of peace, So that's basically what it is. Yeah. So Shelly, Poland, where are you watching us from? Right, Christian V, Zanti. Yeah, you were asking what I was drinking, during earlier on. So I was like I said, I blended cucumber and I was taking that as part of my dinner, with the noodles that was prepared by my wife. So that was what I was drinking. Right, right. So that's it's about 5 minutes to 9 p.m. in this part of the world. All right, California. Right. Okay. Nice to have you. Nice to have you here. What time is it there? This is about 5 minutes to 9 here in Nigeria, West Africa, right? So I just took my dinner um, during the live. Um, so basically, what's happening in your area? Yeah. So for how's the campaign going on in the USA? I know that Biden has stepped down, right? Oh, 12:54 AM or PM. All right, 12:54 is it AM or PM? Right. So Biden stepped down for Kamala to run instead for the Democrats, while Trump has been given ticket by Republican to contest for president election coming up in November. What are the issues you think? Okay, PM. All right, that's fine. What you think Biden has performed spectacularly in his administration so far, because during the campaign before Biden stepped down, there were a lot of gaffes that he was actually given during his speech, calling Kamala Trump, calling
Rotate device back. What did you touch?
his back.
What did you touch?
I went to remove to come on expand this. I went to try and remove the
Please fix it very well before my phone will fall.
network
Father.
was misbehaving. Yeah. I had to switch your cellular and put my Galaxy. And Galaxy is Airtel.
Husband and wife type.
We use your husband and wife time. Alright. She's eating her noodles right now. It's done. Take your bath.
I just took my bath. This is why you're flashing me. I've not changed my clothes.
Doesn't matter.
I want to finish.
This is Africa. We are in Africa.
Finish eating.
Want to finish eating before you join me, right? Okay. Why you do reduce the lights? This other one is.
I thought you had
shaky.
finished your life now. You say
No,
you're
I've not finished it. I was trying to change the network, right? So I was trying to change the network to a stable one. The other one was going off and on, right? The other one was going off and on to try to keep it stable. Wow, stable power. And all that. Okay.
What is it?
No, I just pulled the. I pulled
Hey.
this closer.
Come and eat, oh. Come and eat.
Someone there.
Yes, somebody is there.
Okay. Load. Sorry, the network was bad. I had to switch to another network at least to try and see. I think this should be stable better, because the other was going off and on, off and on, off and on. So I had to switch over to switch to.
Come and eat.
Okay. Okay, not because he's great, but he's the lesser of the two evil. Okay, so who are you referring to? Is it Trump or is it Biden? Is it Trump or Biden? But of course, Biden is longer in the race. It's Kamala that it's in the race now. So
Okay.
U.S.
Biden is not coming out again.
Yeah, he has stepped down. He has stepped down.
When? After the
He stepped down.
assassination.
After the assassination
Attempt.
attempt
Let
on
them
Trump.
not think it's because of he wants to be.
No,
That's
but
all.
even before the assassination attempt on Trump, right? He has been a lot of debate, even at the debate between Trump and Biden. He seems to know a kind of old age. It's expected that at his age, there's some gaps that you will be evident in his speech. So he's an old man. So I think people were complaining now. That some instances where he was referring to his VP, which is Kamala. He said the VP is Trump, Vice President is Trump. Then another occasion when Zelensky, yeah, Zelensky came to US. They had
Zelensky, is he the
President of Ukraine.
of Ukraine, the
Yes.
one that is a fighter?
So he introduced Zelensky as Putin.
Okay.
Imagine on the national television. So Zelensky didn't move, but he corrected himself.
Okay.
Biden corrected himself as and introduced.
No, somebody can make that kind of mistake now. Even me, I can make such now.
Yeah. So, but people will look at it as because they think he's suffering from dementia and all that. So
Okay.
just to avoid that 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 kind of comments and for them not to lose as a party,
He came down.
he stepped down from the race. That's the guy has created some good history. And I think today or yesterday, the former president and the wife, Barack Obama, also commended Kamala Harris. So I think the battle is is really getting tough. So, but for Trump, he said, man, Kamala is even easier than Biden, but it's all gimmicks. They're trying to see how they can outweigh themselves and be able to win. Kamala said
He's not acting as if he's old.
Kamala said that she knows his type, that they know how to deal with it. So let's watch and see. So it's been back and forth from that space. Yeah, so back to Africa. You guys have a better system. Yeah, it's not the same. A lot of mismanagement of resources. A lot of it's not the way democracy is practiced there that is being practiced here. A lot of tyranny. A lot of stepping down on people's rights. There's no freedom of speech here. I said the other day, yes, there's freedom of speech in the constitution, but another person will tell you that your freedom, where your freedoms,
Is where
another
another
person's
person's own begins.
yeah begins. Where your freedom ends, where someone else owns begins, and there's a guarantee of freedom of speech, but your freedom after giving the speech is not guaranteed. That's exactly what it is. That's the similar situation in Africa, especially in Nigeria. Where it would be, who do you know? What they mean by who do you know? What's your connections? With the power that's big in the states. If you're not connected in that regard, you'll be used to sweeps as a broom to sweep the floor. Can tow you here and there, and at the end of the day, mess you up. So, yeah. Welcome, guys. Exactly. They are working for the colonizer. A lot of things. Just imagine one of the big local manufacturer, Dangote, set up a refinery here. That should be producing about 650,000 barrels of petrol per day, and it seems that there's some sabotage going on, even from local independent you know, states institutions saying that the refinery is producing what the products are coming out of the refinery there is substandard, is not of high quality and all that. But from the tests being carried out by Dangote refinery, the products coming out from the refinery, the oil and the fuel, PMS and diesel seems to be of high grade, and because the three refineries owned by the states, none is functioning, and the government have been spending billions and billions trying to revitalize those refineries. Government after government, and none is working. And yeah,
Are they
people,
revitalizing it or they are using it as a means to
there are
scare
people
money?
working in those institutions, those refineries, and being collecting salaries every month, and yet for the past 12 years, past 16 years,
There's
it's
not
not
been
working.
refining.
It's
None of
not
them is
producing
stepping
anything.
down.
And nobody's stepping down from saying that, he keeps pumping money into those refineries, you know. Exactly, it's beyond ridiculous. It's beyond ridiculous. How can you be, sabotaging your own local yeah, the refineries, expecting to be importing fuel, cost of transportation. By the time the landing cost and all that, clearing and before you start distributing to make increase the pump price. But if it's produced locally, we will not be paying for the cost of shipping those items, refined fuel from overseas down here, and of course, it ought to be cheaper. But that's exactly what Nigerians want, But it seems the powers that be, they don't want things to work. They want to keep on, you know, like you said, serving their colonizers, working for them. Because if that refinery works, Nigeria will become a net exporter of petroleum products and end foreign reserves. Currently, because it's a big tug of war. The debts for the federal government and states is just local and foreign is climbing seriously, trillions. You know, so we need foreign currencies to be able to guide our currencies. Currently, as of last year, the naira to dollar was about 800, 700 to a dollar. Currently, it's about 106, 1,608 naira to $1. I didn't know that. It's 1,608 naira to a dollar, meaning that people who import or buy raw materials or machines from overseas to produce things here will be producing at a higher cost and making it unattractive. So that's exactly what the situation is currently is, and so the country, the government needs to encourage local producers, be it agriculture, core manufacturing, and all that. Early this year, we had some big multinationals that have left the country because it's no longer the environment seems not to be supporting their goals. I think I read today Cadbury posted about more than 200 billion loss pre-tax loss already. For H1 half-year reports. So a lot of manufacturing companies are exiting the country. We have P&G, we have GSK, we had which other one? Pharmaceutical companies, leaving in droves, and a lot of them still, trying to see how they can manage, but it's getting tough. And remember, people who work in those industries means that they're out of jobs. Things are getting real tough. So, like I said, if you have friends, families that live in Nigeria, other countries, and you can have a way of supporting them, please do. It's really tough, really tough out there, really tough. So that's exactly why the protests planned protest for 1st to 15th of August. So it seems to be gathering momentum. And the government, on the other hand, is trying to dissuade people from coming out to protest. Right. So you can sorry about that. So you can drop your comments, right? You can drop your comments on the comment section. Click like, right? Let us know you're here and join the conversation. What's happening in your locality, your area? I'm in Nigeria, West Africa, right? So let's see what's going on in your area. What's the news all about? Join in, let's discuss, let's talk together. And let's see how we can be of help to one another. Who is mommy Umu Chineke? Beke. Who is mommy Umu Chineke?
Mommy, what?
Umu Chineke. He said my in-law.
Mommy, you much.
Who is the person? I said it's my in-law.
I don't know.
See my in-law. Nice family. See my in-law.
I don't know.
Guru Gaming. Say where am I from? Say Nigeria.
These children, they not clean this place. After it. I don't know if I use the truck.
Wow. Naija. Wetin dey happen? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Kì í fẹ́lẹ̀ mẹ́lẹ̀. Only. Yes, come to the live stream. Let's know you're there. Let's discuss what's going on in your area. What's going on? What's going on? In this time of difficulty, time of hunger, time of despair, you can reach out to your family and friends and encourage them. And encourage them. A lot of famine. Encourage them. Speak to someone. So they can really let me come. Now you're back. Let me. One person. Okay, nobody's even. Let me come. One person that was there has gone.
Me, I can't talk. Hello. Come and join me. I just finished betting. I just came back right now. That mess with Dangote is beyond ridiculous. Wow. I wonder why they had to do that. Probably he didn't settle them well. Because this our Nigerian system is so corrupt. Just thinking out loud. Maybe they want something from him. Who knows?
Who is that?
He said that mess with Dangote is beyond ridiculous. Yes, Nigeria is still working for the colonizers. Not because he's great, but he's the lesser of the two evil. Okay. Okay.
Trump.
Should they come and sit down if you want to sit down? No?
No, sit down. Please now. There's one person. Two pabellon.
How many cucumber are you eating?
What?
Do you know how many I blended? That's it that you finished. It's true that I blended. I support them. I will encourage others to support my brothers and sisters in Abyssinia.
Yeah.
Where is Abyssinia? Abyssinia. Abyssinia.
Let me see.
Please, where is Abyssinia? Which country? Which country? Welcome to our live. Please like the live stream.
Okay.
We are having a very wonderful evening here. In fact, after the whole stress of the day, we had our first live in the morning. Maybe you watch it and see that went to our shop to sell, and we just came back this evening, not quite long, and we started this live again. Let's just use it and relax.
Okay.
Please, where is Abyssinia? Okay. Oh wow, you have in-law that you haven't met. Probably he may have met the person, but maybe he doesn't know the person's name on YouTube. You know, some people use another name on YouTube, but in real life it's another name.
Okay.
Welcome. Please like the live stream for us.
Well, somebody that was saying my in-law, right? So I was asking you, who is
Mama,
mommy Umuchineke? I was saying my in-law.
it's your people that will be bearing mommy Umuchineke. Are you sure it's not me they are referring to as my in-law? Hang on. Maybe the person wrote my brother's name.
So people like, in the southeast we have different states, right? So if my wife is from Enugu State, I'm from Anambra State. We live in a neighboring states. All of them are in the southeastern part of Nigeria, right? Mainly the Igbos, the tribe called Igbos, right? So if I'm married to her in Enugu, her sisters are my in-laws, right? Her brothers are my in-laws. So it could be someone that is from our state will call me
He said,
in-laws.
if I want to come to Nigeria and buy yam, how can I get started?
Wow.
It's simple. But would you like to stress yourself, go through the stress of coming to Nigeria to buy yam? Won't you like it if you send money, someone buys it for you and send it to you? But if you want to go through the stress, you can come. I will show you when you are here. You say, Madam, your smoking is legendary.
What?
My smacking is legendary.
Okay, the way you're eating the cucumber. I like it cold. It's your own is
I don't like this seed. The seed of cucumber.
You are dodging it.
I'm dodging.
You are building a temple in the middle.
I'm building a temple.
In the middle.
The only time I eat those cucumber seeds, and I heard that they are very nutritious. So.
They help in the bowel movement.
Yes. The only time I eat that seed is when it's blended.
Okay.
Your smacking is legendary. Please come and join me. If you want to come and buy yam, I can assist you.
To buy yam.
To buy yam or to show you where you will buy.
Then how can one export those things? I have a client that is into
exporting it is not difficult now.
Crop exportation.
It's not difficult. Africa. Which country are you from?
So it's from California, USA.
Okay, California. Maybe one of these days, if God should bless me very well, I'll just come on holiday and come and enjoy.
In California, nobody about it.
Africa is Abyssinia.
No battery.
Eh. Which country then?
No, I think she's trying to refer Africa as Abyssinia. And that's what she's saying.
What is the meaning of
Go and bring your
Abyssinia?
this and put
What's
your power bank. It's 10%. It's too short down now. Bring your power bank so you
It's
can
on top
charge
of
it.
that. Down here.
There's something on top of that.
Come and smack with me. Come and smack with me. There's one Nigerian song that plays. Problem in all the finish, oh. Make you try to enjoy, oh. Wahala in all the finish, oh. Make you try to enjoy, oh. What he's saying is that in this life, problem cannot finish. Just try and be enjoying yourself. That's what I try to do. Oh. But this cucumber is very delicious.
And this one is it's not as bitter as this is the new one you bought today. This is the new one.
This is Auntie Chizoba's one.
No, the one you bought and this one is cold. Should be in the freezer since morning. That one should be cold. This is not cold.
Auntie Chizoba gave us cucumber this evening. Another
evening?
one, yes, that they also went to bring.
So where is it? They are all in the freezer.
Yes, Anambra State. The way you spelled the state. Are you Igbo? Are you Igbo?
Shelly Polian.
He can be Igbo and be bearing one funny name now. It's possible now.
What is it going around? Is it network?
It's buffering.
That stops.
It's back.
2%.
Are you Igbo?
You can come on a live stream, join us, like, drop your comments in the comment section. Right? You are the skyscraper. Let me help you.
He said the way I'm eating it is legendary. He was able to spell the Anambra State very well.
I think it's
As if he's familiar with. Yes, as if he's familiar with. Oh, mistake. Problem no definition. You try to enjoy you.
Oh, alone.
Hallelujah. You're not a Catholic. Glory be to the Lord in the highest.
Hallelujah.
His mercy.
Hallelujah.
For his kindness.
Hallelujah.
For his mercy.
Hallelujah.
For his goodness. Hallelujah. I am in California, but I am from the Caribbean.
Okay.
Okay.
Caribbean.
Do you have any friend from Nigeria that is from Anambra? All of Africa is in the Bible.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is where we have the Garden of Eden in Africa. Ah, God. I need to send a report later some Monday.
Huh?
I'm sending a report later some Monday. She said I should not be picking my teeth on live. Live.
Hallelujah. I'm tired of this cucumber, even though it's very delicious.
There was a song I
As if my
wrote down.
stomach is full.
There's a song I wrote some years ago, right? Let me
Yes.
try and sing the song, right?
Sing the
It's a
song.
gospel song, right? So just enjoy me while I sing.
Sing, bless you.
Lord, I want to say I love you.
Are you the one that wrote it?
Yes, I wrote the song.
Because
Lord,
I
I
keep hearing
want
you sing
to
it.
say I wrote the song. I love you. Lord, I want to say I love you. Lord, I want to say I love you. You are my everything. Yeah, you are. Bang, bang, bang. You are my everything.
Is it he just found out that he's
In the morning
He said,
time,
yeah, I just found out I'm
you
Igbo.
hold me. In the evening time, Lord,
As in right
your
now.
love surrounds me. You are my everything. You are
Say cucumber.
my everything.
It's your favorite.
Lord, I want to say I love you. Lord, I want to say I love you. Yeah, Lord, I want to say I love you.
Who's that,
Lord,
Chuku?
I want to
Yeah, where?
say
Me, I'm
I
tired.
love
You can't
you.
go gum.
You are,
Where I kill you?
you are my everything. You are my everything.
And my family is from Anambra State.
He said I'm from California, but I'm from Caribbean. And he said, yes, I just found out that I'm an Igbo. I'm Igbo. And my family is from Anambra State. How is that possible? You just found out today. Just found out today that you're from Anambra State and you are from Caribbean.
He's joking now. He might be.
He's joking.
Yes, now he might be an Igbo guy watching you.
Okay. What part of Anambra State are you from?
Or is his family from? He
Or
said
your
his
family from what? Yeah, so it's Anambra State. What part of Anambra State is your family from? You say you're married to someone from Anambra State, my brother. What part of Anambra is that? What part of Anambra is that? What are you doing? What are you doing right now? Waiting for you. Come on board. Come on live stream and let us know what part of Anambra is your family from, right?
Very soon you end the live so somebody can just,
It's after 9,
Okay, want to end it by 10.
Yeah, let's get some
Okay.
watch hour.
Okay. Right then. Yeah, I have lots of Ninja friends.
Who's saying that?
Ninja friends.
Who's saying that? Where you see it?
Are you not seeing the charts as it's coming?
Okay, I have lots of Ninja friends. You want
Ninja.
to say Ninja? Yeah, I understand that. Ninja friends. Okay.
Ninja friends.
Ninja. This person, are you sure you're Nigerian? The way you are flowing.
Yeah.
The way you are flowing. You are Igbo, you are Nambra, you are now Ninja.
Mm.
Man.
And I think that maybe it's typographical error or he's purposely putting those things inside.
Okay.
Mm.
Ninja.
Bro, state the way he was so straight to go and find states inside a country that he's not from. He's an Igbo guy. Oh, one leg walking a kirigi.
I want them walking there. And I talk.
Atụ okwe eri okwe, azụ okwe eri okwe.
Ndị were chi gị ba ama ọwụ ụjọ uyo m mgbe uyo m na gị ụja na gị. Says Nigeria by DNA.
Okay, I am Nigeria by DNA.
You understand what I just said now? Owerri is a part, is the capital of Imo State. Meaning, yeah. Ndị Owerri chi gị ba ama ọwụ ụjọ.
I am Nigeria by DNA.
Uyo m na gị ụja na gị. Otago. Shelly Pelon, Olo. On one name, why come on, look, come na back in. In California, get on Aba,
Oh,
California and get on Aba.
Nigeria by DNA.
By DNA.
Which part of Nigeria?
What's in
No, Igbo.
no Igbo problem.
Abena, Anambra, Enugu, Imo, Delta. Abe.
What's in Anambra State? My family is from Anambra State.
Okay. Abena, Anambra. I am coming to claim my portion. Haha.
Ye buzo send go anyi obogo ka were gotere gi ji obu. Soro gi ya. Soro gi ji.
Pounded yam.
Pounded yam. Otago we tabi aka. I na-eri ofe onugbu bai. Ofe onugbu.
Ofe onugbu na atọkwa n'ofe like that.
Iri ofe onugbu ma ọ bụ ofe like this with pounded yam. Ma pounded yam na egusi. He confirm on he confirm on if I think it's the author.
You like food? You like food?
Yeah, I like food. You don't like food, Abby? Don't you like food?
No, me, I can stay without it. You cannot stay.
Oh, yeah.
Let's do this thing tomorrow.
Fasting.
Challenge.
Fasting. Yeah, now. I must stay like 2 days without eating.
Yeah, now 2 days fasting. Let's do it.
You go cry, go chop cucumber.
I say let's do it. You should not eat cucumber.
You not drink water.
No food, no water.
For how many days?
2 days. 3 days. Yes. Enugu / Port Harcourt.
This person is a Nigerian person.
Enough. They told me. I'm coming to enough. They told.
Have you eaten fisherman soup before? If you eat Port Harcourt, if you eat fisherman soup, my lie, you confirm that, man. This world is in two faces. I'm telling you. Life is in two faces. Fisherman soup.
You did have before, yeah.
Maybe, man, they love. I've heard a lot of things. I'm managing a pandemic. 18,000 for one plate.
Never.
You know, one guy was talking about it in a joke now. So like 18,000 for one plate.
No. Because all seafood.
Yeah, and both you share up to and see Jesus. So yeah, can never need. that is worth it. He said it is worth it. That bitter heat. He just slept. No, as you had seafoods there, you know. Really? So you have eaten pepper's fisherman soup. Where did you eat it? In Port Harcourt or where? The child borrowing book here, come there and me. You say you even know fisherman soup. You know fisherman soup.
What's the Enugu / Port Harcourt? Maybe no Enugu buy. The child of bro one name okay.
By my in-law. We're not seeing my in-law.
One name okay.
Nah, I that for now. Like I swear, I am there. That's what's gonna happen because this woman, the just said.
Possible dia how your lawyer. Yeah, no, how can you fix chapa? Ụmụaka gị na ha ada mejichago ya niile ji hụkwa ya. Abacha amala.
Amala bụ na ofe ndị Yoruba na ndị Yoruba. Abacha bụ nke anyị na Enugu State.
Abacha, have you eaten okpa?
Okpa dị ọkụ.
Have you eaten my latest video, Igbagwo? Have you seen my village food? Igbagwo, have you eaten that one? Have you eaten achicha, makide, fio? Have you eaten them? Have you eaten ezi? Have you eaten it?
Oh my God.
There is food though. This one is only from my state.
What they tell you?
Only from my state. You have not gone out. You know, you put a po.
Nke I made the other day.
Kenko.
Oka, any oka.
Ayaraya.
Ayaraya.
Hi. Nke ahụ ọkwa a na-eli a na-amịcha aka. When you are eating it, you just be licking your hand. Hey, Chineke. Which one are you saying yes to? Which one are you saying yes to? Which of the food are you saying? Which of the food are you saying yes to? Which one have you eaten? Sweetie, itacha cucumber na abani. Okwa mụ na ga-eji n'ụtụtụ. Can you give me got more than 7 cucumber at once? I have eaten pepper soup. Which food? Which of the food that I mentioned that you've eaten? Is it Igbagwo? Okay, let me go to our Enugu State. We have abacha. This is our local delicacy. We have Igbagwo. We have. Okay, put me in contact with the Igwe. I want my Igwe blessing and my plot of land. If you want plot of land, you have to bring money. Now it's money they use in buying plot of. It's money they use in buying plot of land here. You bring money. So let me call them for you. This one is only Enugu food though. I'm calling now. There is abacha. There is okpa Enugu. There is fio. There is akide. There is achicha. There is otipiri. There is ayaraya. There is what's the name of this one again? Momoyoka. Enugu. This is pure Enugu. There is Ibago. I've called Ibago, right? This is pure Enugu delicacy, as in only Enugu states. You know, Enugu have food though. We are the owners of all the food. Almost all the food in Igbo land though. In fact, it's when you now come to Abakaliki, there is a ofe mpoto, there is a ofe sisa, there is a, I have eaten okpa and moi moi. It's like it's intentionally leaving those things. Moi moi, okay. Moi moi is a Nigerian food, but moi moi, every state of the federation eats moi moi. But you see okpa, okpa is indigenous to the south, not southeast, is indigenous to Enugu state. In fact, Nsukka to be precise. That's why you hear people say Okpa Nsukka. Okpa Nsukka. Yes. Udi. If you go to Ninth Mile, my town, Ninth Mile, because I'm from Udi. You, in fact, if you buy Okpa in Ninth Mile, they believe that you bought the original one. The best Okpa in the whole wide world. Okpa Ninth Mile. So these are the food that is for Enugu State. Then Anambra have ukwa, indigenous to them. It doesn't mean that other parts of the state don't eat all these things. So, but we are talking about indigenous food. Anambra have ukwa. They have ofo onugbo. They have akpo. Because me sef, you see this akpo, I don't even know how to do it initially, because my village, we eat pounded yam, we don't eat akpo. We have vast land, so we grow yam very, very well. So it's pounded yam we eat. We don't eat akpo. So, but Anambra people, akpo is their food. They eat akpo. They eat ofe olugbo. Then they eat ukwa. These are their major food. My sister, will you give me the okpa recipe? Yes, now. Okpa is bambara nuts. Bambara nuts, okay? You can get just the way you do moi moi. You just get, if it's nylon or plate, whatever you use for your moi moi, you can use it to also cook your make your okpa. You just, but the only difference is that for okpa, the flour you mix it, you boil hot water and keep it. Then you will mix the flour with oil. Unlike moi moi, you can just mix it, then add the oil. But this one, you're going to mix the flour with oil. It's online now. If you search for how to make okpa, you're going to see it there. Yes, you're going to see it. If you've not liked this live stream, please click the like button for me there, okay? I love it. Click the like button for me there if you've not liked this stream. I have eaten okpa. So if you want my own special recipe, I can also give you. Okay, thank you too. Thank you too. Then for this Ebonyi state, they have ofe mpoto, ofe sisa, ofe sarara, what's the name of that one again? Oh, egburegbu. You see, I've called 4. Then they have that mpoto self. They have 2 types. They have the fresh mpoto soup, and then they have the dry mpoto soup. Then ofu ukpa okoro. Ukpa okoro. That's dry okra. Okay, they also have that one. Please, as you're joining, please like the stream for me. Thank you so much for the like. I appreciate, okay? Then Abia, me, I don't know much about Abia State indigenous food though, but maybe I'll look for those that are from Abia State to teach me. But for Imo State, they have ofe were, ofe nsala. No, it's Anambra that have ofe nsala. Imo State have ofe Owerri. Yes. Anambra have ofe nsala. Imo State is ofe Owerri. Hey. Hey. Onye nwere ga-eri ofe Owerri. Onye na-enweghị ga-eri ofe Owerri. Ofe Owerri. Hey, Imo State, they hype this their ofe Owerri. They say that it's, if you don't have money, you can't eat that ofe Owerri. I've not eaten ofe Owerri before. Please, Owerri people should come and teach me how to cook their Owerri soup, so that I can eat this their ofe Owerri and know what is there. Ah. Onye na-ewere ga-eri ofe Owerri. Onye na-ewere ga-eri ofe Owerri. So I'll be ending this live in 10 minutes time. It's just remaining 10 minutes for this live to go up. 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. We'll just go and sleep, enjoy ourselves, and have fun, you know. You're welcome, Shelly. You're welcome. Onye na-ewere ga-eri ofe Owerri. Onye na-ewere ga-eri ofe Owerri. Also have one street akara they do with cocoyam. I think that's ikoko, right? Maybe one of these days I'm going to go out for Ebonyi street food and vlog. Then I'm going to show you guys that ikoko. Maybe I'll make it live. I'm not too sure. We'll just go out and look for where they make this ikoko. We'll sit down and eat it. My husband may test it then, because I don't think he has eaten it. Have you eaten that thing they make with cocoyam? Cocoyam akara in Ebonyi State. And I will take you so that you eat it, and I will see your first reaction to it. Me, I've eaten it before, so it's not going to be a new thing to me. Come back.
So you have any network?
Yes. If many people are using it at the same time, it will be buffering. Yes. What is your own tribal soup? Please drop it there. Let me know. Your tribal soup. Do you have tribal soup? What is your own tribal soup? Please drop it at the comment section. Let's see. Yeah, I want to also learn. Oh. Let me learn your own too. I want to learn. I want to learn. I want to learn. Welcome. Please like the stream for me. Like, thumbs up for me. Okay, if you haven't done that, and if you've done, God bless you. I appreciate. Shelly Pollen. Polion. Am I pronouncing it well? Shelly Polion. Yes, so I have 5 minutes to go. Tribal soup, pumpkin soup with cow foot. Tribal soup, pumpkin soup with cow foot. Yes, you are pronouncing correct. Okay. pumpkin soup. As in, is it the fruited pumpkin or the other type of pumpkin? Which one? Fruited pumpkin. Is it not ukwa? What's the name? Ugu. Ugu. Why the other one? I think is, you know, the other pumpkin now. The what are they calling it? Even they eat it here in Ebonyi State. They use it to make that their fresh akidi. And he's saying that his child is fruited pumpkin with cow food. Cow food. Fruited. Ah. Ha. This your tribal soup must be very delicious. So, what a combination. With cow food. Ha. Don't be small thing, oh. That's interesting. Do you grind it? Or is just the leaf? Is it just the leaf or you do grind it? I have 3 minutes to go. It's very delicious. Honestly, I wish I know the name. You just see me Google it and come and try it in my house. Yeah, I'll come and give this my husband to eat, to taste. He's the one that will not tell me the results of what I've done. Yes, we grind. Okay. That's interesting to know. I have 2 minutes to go. If you cook it, your husband will love and keep you pregnant. Ha ha! If that's the case, I won't cook it, Oga. If that's the case, I don't want it. I don't want to be pregnant too. I don't want to be pregnant. Now, quarry. Hey, let me finish the one I've started. Let me, and I don't even think my husband will want to even eat it if it will cause pregnancy, because he's also running away. He's still let him come and trade the ones he has first before he will think of another one. That is all. Sweetie, do you want, he say it works, that if I cook this his tribal food for you, that you will keep me pregnant too. Is well. I have 1 minute remaining. I don't want to go, but in fact, I don't want to go again. I just want this chat to continue till tomorrow. But I really have to go. I don't want to go. I'm enjoying the whole thing. All right, say hi to your family. Thank you for coming. I enjoy the gist. I don't even want to leave here again because I'm enjoying it so much. My sweetheart is already watching football. The worst thing I can do to him now is female football, Olympics games. My sister, have a good night rest. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye-bye. Till tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I will have another live in the morning. Ha, Nepa has finished it. Bye-bye.